Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give a demo hiding text in image steganography using CAPTCHA authentication. So in this project we have collected the data set of images and we are using the for hiding text we are using histogram equalization algorithm, and we are for encoding the data and decoding the data, and also we are using CAPTCHA authentication for encoding and decoding. So we can go for the code. So here we are used MTF library for to create the GUI, and file dialog is useful to select the images from the folder. So these are the class we have created to create the GUI for title image steganography, and also two buttons encoded and decoded. So if you click on encode, it will give the message, it will give the entry box like CAPTCHA authentication. Once you solve that CAPTCHA problem, you'll get the file dialog folder. In that you can select the images. So now click on run model. Where you can click on encode, where you can solve the problem. After this, you can select the images. Then text any word or sentence. Click on encode. So here you can save the encrypted image. Inside the image, we are hiding the sentences. So click on save. Encoded successfully, and your encoded file has been saved. Click on OK. So now click on decode. Solve this problem. Click on submit. Click on encrypted saved image. Click on this one. Click on open. So you will get the text inside the images, hiding the data inside the images. You will get this. You can check for another input. Click on input. You will get the incorrect captcha. Try again if you will get the message box. Click on OK. Cancel. Click on encode. Type 15. Select any images from the file that folder. Yeah. Copy this text and paste. And click on encode. So the encrypted image. Your encoded file has been saved. So now click on decode. Click on select. Click on this image, encrypted image, one open. So you can get the hiding data inside the images.